Hi there. We are creating this video for the Warrior Plus team to explain our product. We are giving users GPT-4 powered cloud-based platform that generates unique high-quality emotion-based content, visual graphics, 3D cartoon characters. Once the user logs into his VisualVault AI account, he will land on the dashboard. Now users can create a done-for-you template by search, category, etc. They can also edit templates in our exclusive editor. With AI custom templates, user can create an AI document in a desired format by just adding a name, type, topic, and desired language. Users can also generate AI image with our AI image generator. Just add name, image description, art style, artist name, lighting style, mood, image size, variance, etc. And your desired image will be generated. With our AI 3D cartoon generator, users can create AI 3D cartoon image. Just add name, image description, art style, artist name, lighting style, mood, image size, variance, etc. And your desired AI 3D cartoon image will be generated. Users can also generate high-quality images by our AI upscaled image generator. Just add a name, upload the image, and choose scale. And your upscaled image will be generated. Users can use our AI chats option to find AI-powered answers to their questions. Let us know if you have any questions about this. Kindly approve our product. Thanks.